Diabetes 57. Using magnesiums to deal with blood pressures, diabetes, and cancers. Number 1. The doses and the functions of magnesiums to be used every day. Magnesiums with chemical symbol as Mg. It is micro mineral elements and at the same time an electrolyte along with natrium chlor, bicarbonate, and calcium and phosphor is essential for the human body. Magnesium is present in our food consumed every day to nurture the neuron cells, bones, and muscles. But the doses that we consume is not sufficient, which is from 250 to 600 milligrams for young age to adults. Adult would need 400 milligrams of magnesium every day. When the body is lack of magnesium, it is withdrawn from the cells to stabilize the blood pressures and blood sugar level to avoid disorder of metabolism because it creates enzymes to oxidize, to metabolize sugars, and delivers mineral elements and other neural-related activities such as muscle retractions, blood circulation. In the market, there are two types. One is magnesium oxide, which is a low cost but less absorption and might cause diarrhea. The other type, medium chloride, with higher absorption level and less chance of diarrhea. Number 2. The benefits of magnesiums. Number 1. 10 benefits of magnesiums. Number 1. To lower the toxicities of chemical therapy. Medications based on chemistry to cure cancer can cause side effect which is severe, including magnesium deficiencies at 90% of patients, resulting from the Cancer Magazine European Journal of Cancer. Also indicates that the supplement of magnesiums to prevent the side effect of this chemistry and lower the severity of damage on kidney without affecting the treatment of cancer of the medication. In fact, in those cancer patients with chemistry therapy, those who use magnesium supplement, the cancer is highly treatable and with longer living time. Japanese research on journals also indicates that the use of magnesiums before and after the treatment reduce significantly the toxicities of the chemical on kidney of those of cancer patients. In the treatment might cause constipations, and magnesium is a natural laxative to lower constipation and is very effective if the body with 250 to 1000 milligrams every day for those who are under treatment. Number 2. Supplement of magnesium lower the chances of cancer. Magnesium deficiency might lead to the outbreak of cancers, also prevent the treatment. According to the International Society for the Development of Resources on the Magnesiums, based on their data published on the journal Epidemiology, on 4,035 males from 30 to 60. Those who had high level of magnesium in their body has 50% less chance of cancer and 40% less chance of dying through cardiovascular illness and other factors compared with lower magnesium. Because magnesium plays an important role in 300 metabolism reaction in the body, affecting the stability of cells wall and prevents cells from heavy metals such as mercury and lead. Cells will die without magnesium. Magnesium with low level affect badly the absorption of cells, and others research also shows the same thing. It can cause cancer. Number 3. Supplements of magnesium improve the disorder of anxiety and stress. One explosive nutritious research at Vermont University and publishes in the newspaper PLOS ONE indicates that everyday supplements of magnesium up to 80 can improve depressions, especially magnesium chloride can significantly decrease depressions and anxieties no matter what age and sex. Compared to the initial depression level, magnesium has a huge effect to our cardiovascular health, kidney, and brain. Also helps with the shortage of other mineral elements and other chronic illness. Therefore, everyday supplements of magnesium maintain good health. Number 4, magnesium supplements reduce type 2 diabetes. According to research at the Harvard University Department of Nutrition on 85,000 female and 42,000 males in the times from 12 to 18 years, research shows that those who have diabetes with high magnesium has lower chance of type 2 diabetes up to 34%. Magnesium has effect to hormones that affect the sugar metabolized in the body. Therefore, constant magnesium supplement in diabetes patient can have positive effect. And the supplemental dose should be 320 to 420 for males and females respectively in their daily consumption. Number 5, magnesium supplements lowers the rate of stroke. According to research from the American Heart Association's magazines conducted on 9,800 applicants from 65 years of age and monitor from 7 to 8 years, the level of magnesium in their blood low can result in stroke. Number 6, magnesium helps lower the chance of osteoporosis. A research conducted in 8 years at the US. Over 3,075, including 1,777 and more than 2,000 female with age over 60 years old, published on British Journals of Nutrition magazine published by Cambridge University shows that the level of magnesium absorbed can increase the bone's density and therefore lower the chance of osteoporosis. Magnesium is essential to facilitate the absorption of calcium. Without sufficient magnesium, the calcium level in the body will be withdrawn from soft tissue and therefore cause arthritis. And number 7, magnesium help improve memory of old people. This is research from Alzheimer's Disease magazine by researcher from Neurocentria in Germany. The Centers of Psychology's Department of the University of Ohio State, Columbus, and also the Psychology Department of South California University, and Medical University of Peking University emphasized the importance of increasing mechanisms in nervous cells. It is an important element to regulate the nervous signal. Those who participate in the research aged from 50 to 70 with symptoms of memory loss and sleep deprivation. They are prescribed to use magnesiums with doses of from 25 per kilogram every day, with their weight from 50 to 100 kilogram. After 12 weeks of consecutive, their cognitive behavior improved 12%. Number 8, the magnesium supplements help lower the rate of blood pressure disease. The research conducted and on epidemiologies with over 5,000 of Americans aging from 18 to 30 within 15 years shows that the supplements of magnesiums can lower the risk of type 2 diabetes and blood pressure disease. Number 9, supplements of magnesiums lower the rate of having kidney stone. Magnesium deficiencies can increase blood lipid, increasing kidney stone. This is a research from American Central magazine. From the result on over 560,000 people, magnesium has the preventing effect of kidney stone. Number 10, magnesium supplements help lower cramp in pregnant ladies. At Obstetrics and Gynecologists Department of the University Department of Sweden conducted within 3 weeks of pregnant lady to see the uses of magnesium on their gram. After 3 weeks of constant supplement of magnesium, their symptoms of gram significantly decrease, and also supplements of magnesium also reduce migraine that can maintain higher time and help with the depressions and menstruation pain. B. 7 types of magnesium deficiency symptoms in the body. Number 1, it is increased blood pressure. Due to magnesium deficiency, muscles retract and ciliaries get fibrosis, which affect the blood circulation and therefore increasing the chance of having stroke or blood pressure deficiencies. Number 2, blood sugar level increase due to anti-insulin. If the body has enough level of magnesium, the body can produce enough insulin to stabilize the blood sugar level. Number 3, fibrosis of artery due to lack of magnesium to maintain the blood circulation. 4, sleep deprivation due to magnesium deficiency to stabilize the nervous systems and nervous signal from the body to the brain. If the body suffers from severe magnesium deficiency, it can cause sleep deprivation, and then that leads to muscle retractions or even deficiencies of body strength. Number 5, anesthesia, body fatigue, mental health decrease. Number 6, depressions and anxiety due to low level of magnesium that cause the effect of anxiety, depressions. Number 7, osteoporosis due to lack of magnesium to absorb calcium. Number C, magnesium will decrease, in which case, if the level of magnesium in the blood is low, it might be the sign of the body is not having enough, or there's too much magnesium being wasted. And the reason might be lower calcium in the blood or low bad diet, long time diarrhea, digestive disorder, or unmonitored medication consumption after operation, or uses of diuretic medications or severe burn. Or the medication can lower the level of magnesium or digoxin and other antibiotics. The symptoms of high level of magnesium in this case is rarely it happen and can easily detected due to the fact that magnesium can cause diarrhea. The reasons for the high level of magnesium in the blood is rarely because of the diet, but is because of the over supplement. The increase of level of magnesium in the blood can be seen in cases of patients of kidney failure and hydrates loss, water loss, or diabetes, or adrenaline, and use it too many acids anti with high level of magnesium. And the symptoms can be red face, nausea, diarrhea, stomach retractions, unstable blood level. The too big level of magnesium over 1,000 can cause respirations failure, especially for those with kidney illness. And medication can cause the magnesium in the blood can be adrenaline medications and other product with magnesium in it. Number 3, the food with magnesium in it. Number 1, every 100 gram of rice has 37 milligram of magnesium. Pumpkin seeds, every 100 gram of pumpkin seeds has 32 grams. And watermelon seeds, 515 milligram. And sunflower seeds, 325 milligram of magnesium is present in 100 gram, and also has a lot of vitamin E. Number 5, also other seeds can have the anti-inflammation agents and also help the bodies and lower the hunger. Number 6, green leaves vegetable has high level of magnesium and also help the body to absorb all the mineral. For example, cauliflowers and celery, artichoke, cucumber, spinach, green leaves vegetable, and mustard. It is extremely good for health and has a huge amount of magnesium, iron, manganese, and vitamin A, C, and K. Green leaves vegetable has a lot of complex that is beneficial to protect cells from deteriorating and can lower the chances of cancer. For example, cauliflower has 157 milligram of magnesium in 1 cup. Sweet radish has 142 milligram of magnesium in 1 cup. Pumpkin seeds has 92 gram of magnesium in 1 cup. And yogurt has 52 milligram of magnesiums in 1 cup. Almond, 80 milligram of magnesiums in 1 cup. Black bean, 60 milligram of magnesium in 1 cup. 7. Black chocolate. Black chocolate is a type of food that tasty and helpful with 64 milligram in one consumption. Black chocolate has a lot of copper and fiber and iron to nurture the good bacteria in the stomach and has a good effect for the cardio health and has strong antioxidant agents to prevent anti-aging element as well. Avocado. One avocado can provide 58 gram magnesiums and has a lot of potassiums and vitamins and other unsaturated fat. It's good for the heart and fiber and lower bad cholesterol level. Number 9. Beans rich in such as green bean, peanuts, and are rich in nutrients. For example, magnesiums. 1 cup of black bean has 112 milligram of magnesiums, and other types of bean has other potassiums and iron, and is a main source of protein for a vegetarian. Rich in fiber and has lower GI level, then can lower cholesterol and improve the level of blood sugar, therefore lower cardiovascular related disease. And fermented soybean product called nasta is considered a great K2 vitamin and it's very good for the bone. Number 10. Tofu. Tofu is made from compressing soy milk into a jelly and can be called as a frozen milk. 100 gram of soy milk has 132 milligram of magnesiums and 10 gram of protein within the main food for vegetarian. 11. Grain. Grain is a high magnesium food. For example, wheat and oatmeal has a lot of vitamin B, mango, selenium, and fibers, which lowers anti-inflammations and cardiovascular related diseases. Number 12. Others types of fish. Fish are rich in magnesium such as salmon has a great deal of potassium, selenium, vitamin B, and other mineral elements. A good amount of fish fat can lower other chronic disease such as heart-related disease because the fatty acid in fish are highly content of omega-3. 13. Banana. Banana is one of the most popular fruits in the world and is famous with high level of potassium and vitamin C, B6, mango, and fiber, which can lower the blood pressures and cardiovascular related disease. Banana is also rich in magnesium.